Tov, good morning. We continue with our daily 3-minute daily dose of Torah. This week, learning some new Mishnayot in the 4th chapter of Pirkei Avot. We'll look at the second Mishnah. It's a teaching of Ben Azai. Ben Azai said, Hevei ratz lemitzvah kala kevachamur. 4th chapter, 2nd Mishnah. You should run to an easy mitzvah. That's how we translate this right now. As you would for a difficult one. Uvoreach min ha'avera, and you should flee from sin. We learned the Mishnah about this not so long ago, and where the essential teaching was that you never know what the real reward of one or the other is. We can't really value things, and that's really an important teaching. But here he's going to take us in a different direction. So run to an easy mitzvah even as you would to a difficult mitzvah or an intense mitzvah, and flee from a sin. 2 points. Number 1, Shem mitzvah goreret mitzvah, ba'avera goveret avera. Because every mitzvah drags along with it another mitzvah, and every avera drags with it other averas. Here, the Rabbeinu Yonah puts it well, I think, when he says the following: this is mikoach hateva ki hu zeh. This is how simply human nature functions. Ki be'asot ha'adam mitzvah ktana pam achat. When a person does even a small good deed, even once, mitkarev et Hashem, he's brought God close and brought himself close to God. Margil et rucho lavodato, and he's started to make his spirit more accustomed in the worship of God. And it becomes easier to do another good thing. You know what? Yeah, that works. I can do another mitzvah. It just sort of flexes his mitzvah muscles, and it works. At the same time, he says, Avera garos avera gam zeh min hateva. That too is the way human nature is. After achar she'asa mitzvah achat v'nivachek me'avodas Hashem, once a person is one avera and distance from God, it's going to happen more. It's going to be more likely that he'll find himself drawn to other sins. That's just the way we are. We put ourselves in do good mode, and more doing good happens. And then Ben Isaac continues, Shem mitzvah, shechar mitzvah mitzvah, v'schar avera avera. The reward for a mitzvah is a mitzvah, and the reward of a sin is a sin. It doesn't necessarily mean that this is what God gives to you, as commentaries pointed out, but this is how it happens, right? You want to know, what did I gain from doing a mitzvah? And the answer is, don't be looking for the heavenly reward of long life or parnasa. Hopefully you'll receive all that. But the real reward of a mitzvah is the mitzvah itself, and hopefully other mitzvot. And the real reward from a sin is the sin that you've done. So let's find ourselves flexing the right muscles, the right mitzvah muscles that we have, and we'll see that indeed from one mitzvah, many more will come. Have a great day. Do some mitzvahs.